Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your T-Mobile Wi-Fi password step by step. Whether you just set up your gateway, forgot the old password, or want better security, we'll cover 2 easy methods and a bonus tip to keep your network more secure. Using the T-Mobile Internet app, open the T-Mobile Internet T-Life app on your phone, sign in with your T-Mobile account. Tap My Wi-Fi or My Networks. View your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Select the network you want to edit. Tap Change Password. Enter a strong new password, 12+ characters, mix of numbers and symbols. Save the changes, your gateway updates, and devices reconnect. Alternative method, use the gateway interface. If you can't access the app, there's another way. Connect to your Wi-Fi and open a browser. Go to 192.168.12.1. Log in using the details on your gateway label. Then navigate to Network Settings, Wi-Fi Settings, Edit Password. Enter your new password and click Apply. Bonus tip, create a guest network. If friends or family visit often, set up a guest Wi-Fi instead of sharing your main one. In the app, tap Add Network, choose Guest, give it a name and a temporary password. This keeps your main devices more secure. Best practices for a strong Wi-Fi password. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters like @ hash, or $. Avoid names, birthdays, or simple words. They're easy to guess. And that's it. Your T-Mobile Wi-Fi password is updated and secure. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more simple tech guides.